Today we will present our company to you. Thank you for coming in this platform. The company is founded in 2020, and we have started like a small startup and leading manufacturer for the bedroom products, and we are getting grading day by day. And our mission is do the quality products and the good products and the innovative bedroom products solutions in Turkey. And our core value is the quality and the customer focus, of course, because in Turkey we cannot compete other ways with the other countries, other competitors in there. And the general product ranges, the shower panels, shower systems, bathroom accessories, and the faucets are in our product range. If we look at the detail to this range, for example, for the shower systems, we have different shower systems in Turkey, what we are producing in there. For example, these shower systems is a little bit different than the other standard shower systems. The top of the shower head is, when you change it, when you rotate it, it's changing the function, and the diverter is changed also. It has the buttons. The standard one is you are rotating some brass parts, and we are using the buttons to divert the water's way, the tap and the hand shower. And this is much more effective because it's not stopping the water, and it's only rotating the way, and it's not getting damage to your warming system, and also it's not getting the main pressure in there when you're rotating it. And the hand shower and the tap shower has a lime scale, silicone, and the thermoplastic elastomer systems inside of this. So when you touch, you can easily break the lime scale. And also we have, of course, different type of shower systems in our portfolio. These and the sliding bars. And another point is the shower panels. This is another strong point of us. We are producing in Turkey, and we are producing lots of companies these kind of products. Generally, we have using the 5 function. One of them is drying. Another one is the normal bathroom function, and the hand showers, and the mid hydro massage shower jets, and the waterfall. Of course, we can decrease and increase the functions according to customer needs, and also we can work in different colors, like gold, like white, rose gold, black, and also the mirror blue, and of course the chrome. We can do much more different colors, but mainly we are working in these 6 colors. And also we have some different shower panels for the outdoor. We are selling to some hotels and also some villas, like near the pool. They are using this kind of outdoor shower panels. And another range is the bathroom accessories. Bathroom accessories means like we see towel, we see peppers and towels and some bathroom products, and also some shampoo baskets we have, and also the elderly bars also in our range. And the last side is the faucets. We started the faucets 2 years ago, and now we have 3 different series. But also we have economic, mid, and the high segment. And what is the new? Every year we are improving ourselves. Every year we are adding some products to our catalogs. For example, the waterfall top shower uh, panels like this is started and finished. Next year it will be in our catalog, and we have started already to sell some big projects. Also, some different outdoor shower systems like a spout, like a Boston, we will also add in next year catalog. These two stainless steel top shower jet is also completed. We will add also in the next year catalog. This composite type shower panels is also we are producing some big companies, different types, some different with the shower jets. We are producing also some big brands, but in next year with our brands, we will also put on our catalogs, and also some Middle East and also the Africa side. They look from us the shataf. They are calling this. They are using in the toilets some hand shower. So we are working on this. End of the next year or mid of the next year, we will catch the time to add in our catalog, and also the built-in products. So these products will be in our catalog in next year also. Every year we are increasing our catalog range. Currently, we are selling to domestic market some big brands. For example, Roca, this is Spanish brand, and NSK is their domestic brand. Also BN, BMS, Aqua, CAS, Belinza, Sukar, and also our company brand is. We are selling in the Turkish market with these brands. We are the OEM supplier. We are producing for these brands. And also, most probably, we will add the Vitra in next year. We started a small business, and next year we will get their big panel projects and the shower system projects. And currently, what we are selling to some export countries, we have started with Belgium and Azerbaijan, but after VSI Forum, we have started to Ghana and the Senegal. Now we are contact with Ivory Coast and the Nigeria also, but it is on the communication side. Not we get the exact orders from them. And Turkish market is getting narrow this year, and the next year we are expecting. Because of that, some companies is getting in trouble, but our improving and growing is very good. We growed from the last year to this year the double, and also because we can add some new companies to in our customers. Because of that, we catch the target. But in the domestic market, because of the inflation side, it is not very easy. So we need to do export much more. We need to focus on this side much more than before. We have a advantage because some of the big products has the logistic advantage on there. When we compare with the Chinese producer, we have the logistic advantage on that, and also we have the quality advantage on that. Also, the MOQ is no need to high like the competitors request. So we can give very boutique and also high demand. We can compete with them. And also manufacturing, our facility is in Eskişehir. Eskişehir is a good place for the faucets, shower systems, and some ceramic products, because for the ceramic products we have the raw material in there, and some big companies is located in there. So some suppliers are also improved in this area. So you can get the skilled labor in there very easily, and also you can find some different components in this area very easily. Because of this, Eskişehir is a good area for this sector. Production capacity, we are increasing every day. This is very good for us because we never decrease the production less than previous month. So now we are the aim of the growing side. And the quality is all of our products is testing. The faucet side is testing in 6-8 bars, and the finished product is testing with the water for the last customer. In every point is checking, but this is the last section before the boxing, and we are testing also all the processes. So beginning of the process, when we get the raw material, we are starting to test in every section. So it means if you have any problem in the production, you cannot compensate easily when you catch on the last stage. But at the beginning to end, we are checking one by one. And because of that, we decrease our customers 7%, 8% reback products to less than 1%. So it means we support them minimum 6% cost reduction with this side. And because of this, they are trusting, and we are getting improvement from their products. Another point is, yes, we are producing, but we have a small solar systems to trial. We are doing some machines with this, and also the important point on these products on the logistic. Our products cannot be broken because they are very big and the logistic cost is high. Some of them, because of this, we are use polyurethane foams better than the Strafoams, because Strafoams cannot be recyclable very easily. Mr. Mehmet knows better than me, but also when in the production side, it's getting some stand gas, and because of that, some European countries don't want to get Strafoam if you are using in the protection for the packaging. Because of that, we are using polyurethane. It is calling like a home waste. So it can be much more environmental products than Strafoam. So we are using these. Generally, the company presentation is like this in the main points. If you want to ask anything or any question, please let me know. And yes.
Your presentation has finished?
Yes, the general point is the presentation is finished.
Okay. I would like to ask you, thank you for attending our breakfast, business breakfast.
Appreciate is mine.
You came from Eskişehir by the fast train, and you mentioned that WCI forum helped you to find new clients. These are the ones you are negotiating with Nigeria and Ivory Coast?
Yes, we are in negotiation now. Especially in the Ivory Coast, they have a big project, 1,500 houses in the 5 stage. They will complete. The first stage is, they are saying the first stage is complete. Also, we sign an agreement with them, but still we didn't get the exact orders from this side.
I think your potential buyers are the wholesalers of bathroom material, kitchen and bathroom materials, like a distributor of Vitra. They can spare a small corner for your products, right?
Yeah. You are saying for the foreign countries or for the domestic market, you are saying?
For export markets.
For export market, yes. It can be because Vitra and also some big companies are saying to their dealers only sell the Vitra product, etc. But they cannot get sometimes the project with these prices because of this. In the some corner or the second floor, they are putting our products to sell in there.
So in comparison, you can provide better prices than the big brands.
Yes, because we are the OEM producer for them in Turkey already. Of course, we cannot sell. We have the agreements with all of the company, all of our customers. We cannot sell with their brands, but similar products we can sell with our brands.
Yeah. Mr. Mohammed, you seem like you're gonna ask a question.
First of all, I'm so sorry. First of all, thank you for the great presentation. I'm looking to your website also at the same time. And thank you. You have a great website, and the Arabic is available, and it's correct, and you have done all the things right. And as I said, the reason why I am doing this showroom, companies like yours, you have done a great job. But I am living in Turkey for 15, 17 years. I know you are a new company.
Yeah, Mr. Mohammed, by the way, sorry for interruption. They are located in Eskişehir. You can visit them.
Yes, I'm coming. I went to Eskişehir and met the Chamber of Commerce, the president there for the export. I said, I'm looking for companies, local companies, if they are available and interested in the Iraqi market. Do you know what they answered me? They said, oh, we are producing technology for fridges and, those kind of stuff. We are concentrating on Europe. And I just want to show you how close I came. And even living in Turkey, and even I came to Eskişehir, met the Chamber of Commerce and asked, is there any companies are looking? Because the Turkey is great producers in Turkey, and unfortunately not great marketers. Even the government side, they produce all the good things. And this is the example when we go to Iraq and say, okay, Turkey has a good potentials, they say we don't hear about them. And even in Ankara, Ostim, when I came here, I found out about Ostim. We thought Turkey only Istanbul. And unfortunately, this is the reality. Just one question. Are you the 100% producers of these products?
Yes, I cannot say 100%, but 90%, yes, we have.
Okay, great,
Yeah.
great.
Because some small components, but the main
They are not trader, Mr. Mohammed. They have a small factory.
I have been worked in Roca, NSK, 10 years in faucet and the consistor factories. I was in the manager in there, and I lived to establish my own job. And still we have the good relationship, and we are producing their products in there. Before, I was the purchasing manager in there, and I am getting these products from China in Turkey. most of the companies are getting these kind of shower systems, etc., from the China, and we visit there and we copy their production and some improvements in there, and now we are producing these kind of products in there for them. Because of that, they know import from China better than me, but with the logistics side, with the tax side, and with the quality side, we can improve their costs and the quality. Because of that, we can produce for them OEM.
For two reasons, I ask these questions. One of them is if it's, as you mentioned, if it's almost 100%, only the packaging is different. Iraqis are very good to finding the sources. And if you go there with just changing the package or the name, they will find out. And you've done the work for the Chinese manufacturer. First, this is the one thing. The second and the most important thing, for example, there is a hotel in Baghdad, now Rixos Baghdad, which is going to build. And if you go, okay, we take Banora, we say, okay, this is our company, and we are ready to brand your logos, and you make, I don't know, gold-plated or something like that, a special production for their project. So as I mentioned, your sector is booming right now. There is a lot of projects are in going, and I hope to see you. And just my answer to Mr. Arkan, I'm looking for the map behind you. You have went to Iran and Saudi Arabia, and you didn't go through Iraq. By the way, your sector is very, very difficult. I know, I know. But if you are participated or not, I always support Turkish companies, even if you are participated or not. And this is my job for the last 15 years. So what I'm looking for for example, the insights for Mr. Ragıp, for Banora, for example, who is the decision making the most? First, the housewives. Second, how you say, the installators there. Do you? Because you go to, it's like a painter. You go, you want to paint, and ustaya ne derler ya İngilizce? And the maker, tries to convince you to use the other system that he is using that system. But if you give enough education,
Plumber.
yes. I'm sorry.
Plumber, Mohammed.
Plumber, yes. The plumbers are deciding who are going to, because they give okay guarantee. But as I looked at your company last week, and I am also in Ankara, just want to have in fast train, I can come and pay a visit, and hopefully we cooperate. You don't have to participate to work with us. Just it's much better for long term, for big projects. It's when even I don't expect you to invest like big brands, thousands of square meters. No, just a place that a person have, because who do you know who is going to represent better than your company? Do you know? The product.
Yeah.
If
Yes.
I touch it and see the quality,
especially in the Middle East and Africa, they want to touch the products.
yes. If it doesn't matter, take your presentation, show to 100 of people, just to see the quality and how it feels. It's much easier for me to sell. I always do it, to send samples and make offers, but there must better good how you polished yourself for Turkey 100% and even for export. But just to make the deal done, we hope to see you in our showroom. And thank you very much. I hope I didn't.
Also, I will be in Istanbul most probably next week, one day. So maybe we can communicate before, and we can, if you're available, of course, maybe 1 or 2 hours, we can speak on your side also.
Yeah, we can take it from there, and we will see. And great job, nice, refreshing company. Thank you.
Yeah, anybody else has a question?
Dare
Mr. Dare?
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Ragıp, for your presentation. But like Mr. Mohammed said, Turkish companies are very good, but they're not very good marketers. You know, so if you come to Nigeria, for instance, Roka is very big in the sanitary business, but here you're the ones, you're the OEM for Roka. So it's about time, you know, we'll bring you out of your shell and, you know, do a lot of publicity for your brand. So I think you should really consider the Nigerian market, which Roka is very big in already.
in next year, in February, I will be in Senegal, but for the fair. But before this fair or after this fair, I will visit some countries like Ghana, like Nigeria, and after that, I'm planning to get back after visit these countries. So maybe if I can come, according to our plan, maybe we can meet in there also together.
Okay, so if you're planning to come to Nigeria, one thing you could do is maybe you could come in for an exhibition. I know some members from Turnkey came for an exhibition last year, like D-Trucks came for exhibition, and I helped them set up. So that could be another way to actually come into the Nigerian market. I could help you look at the biggest exhibition for next year, so you could plan a part of that.
It can be. Yes. Thank you so much.
Any other question?
Mrs. Hajar?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Ragıp. Thank you for your presentation. It's really delightful. I wanted to say, because I had an experience in such a factory before as a mechanical engineering student, where I saw metal coating. It was a factory, a Spanish factory in Tunis called Arcosonia. They do bathroom accessories like you do. So when I noticed there that they also use boilers. Boilers are used in metal coating processes. They are used as a catalyzer for the chemical reaction. So what I wanted to say, if you had any project to like enhance your production capacity, or even you already have your equipment, you want to replace them, or even you need technical service, I would love to be in contact with you and support you for any on these side of purposes.
Yes, especially in our area, for the plating side, for the
Yes.
environmental issue, for the water dirtiness, etc., need some special apply and improvements. Because of that, in some areas, cannot do the plating, but in industrial area and in some areas, I know lots of companies, they need these kind of things. I will suggest to you, maybe I can suggest to you, one of my good friends is establishing this kind of plating factories in Turkey. He's living in Eskişehir, but he's working for a Bursa company. It is the city in Turkey. So maybe I think they are using much more than me, so that I can give some communication of him, so you can contact with them directly.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I have a question, Mr. Ragıp.
Of course.
So you used to be an engineer, procurement manager for NSK. I think your wife also, she was, you started this business together. How did you solve the finance problem? Do you have investor partners? It's not easy to set up a small factory.
Yes, I get lots of the shareholder wants to involve to this business together, but I didn't accept at the beginning. maybe we can start with a smaller, but I want to run myself in there at the beginning. But we solve the financial problems. I sold my home. I sold my other things, and I put all of
You
these
invested. You
Yes.
invested.
ourselves.
Selling your real estate. You did the finance yourself.
Yes, yes.
Mashallah.
Now I get my house again, but at the beginning we start with this. But this is not my the business is not always like a financial issue. At the beginning, I give to my contacts the money. I say to them, please get this money. Please get this, because they didn't accept at the beginning too much times, and they give me some free products. They do lots of malls without money at the beginning, and after that I will pay all of them. But at the beginning I get lots of technical support from my contacts and networks. So it's helped to me too much. And some companies said, okay, take this money if you can do this job in Turkey, and do it, and after that sell to us these products with the business. You can pay with the business. So these kind of things I did this job. Otherwise, I don't have the enough power to establish this company.
Mashallah. That's a good strategy.
I want to ask a question. Actually, I want to add something. First of all, thank you for good representation. And as you know, my profession is physiotherapy, and I am very interested in the message side of the shower and shower equipment. I can assist you in that side. Have you any plans to improve the message side of your shower?
You are mentioning jacuzzi, right?
Jacuzzi, or the shower, the
Shower
pumping
head.
water. Yeah, the pumping water is very important. For example, I use shower for massage for me, because we nowadays we live very fast, and we couldn't find an opportunity to go to a massage, and that's why I'm just, when I have some back pains, I use the hot water for my back pains. And I think if there will be a pump of the waters, some kind of pumps, some kinds of water power of the water, if we use it, or even some air pumping materials, maybe you can add with the shower equipment. I think it can be very useful and innovative solution for your brand. We can discuss it later. I just want to mention about it.
Yeah. Every idea is very important for us. So every
It's-
idea is
It's very important, I
yet
think.
another product for us. So
Yeah.
I will check also this kind of products.
Mr. Rashid,
I do my side job.
lots of people don't have jacuzzi in their home. If you add this massage kit, some kind of massage kit to the shower equipments, it will be very helpful.
Yeah, it can be. Only
Yeah.
we need to check it if this is
We will discuss it later.
yeah.
I will assist you. I will give my ideas to you, because when I graduate from the high school, I really think about that sector.
Yes.
All right. Any other question?
One last question.
Go ahead.
how many of your products are how you say suitable for shipment by cargo by post? For example,
Courier.
yes. For example, if the shower heads, the small ones, it's okay. But is it all of them ready shipped in the carton with all the parts? Can send it with cargo companies?
Yes, yeah. If you are asking about the problem about carrying some damages to products, all of them is suitable for the carrying in the cargo in
Yeah.
there. But if you are asking for the size of some products, only the shower panels had a big carton box, 77 deci to carry, but others are 8 to 5 and smaller products.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. We are doing some drop tests inside of the box, and this polyurethane for the heavy products is protecting the products very easily. Very
Yeah.
on this. Yes.
The reason why I asked this because we are going to cooperate with İşbir in Ankara, and because of Mr. Rashid, we met also in Istanbul X-Drive, the chair, gaming chair, and they both are suitable to ship across cities there because you have shipping companies. So if your products are also suitable, maybe we will make you the same offer that we are going to make them.
Yeah. Please, Mr. Mohammed, I think it's suitable all in carton boxes.
Yes.
It's also good for e-trade,
Yeah.
for some buyers buying from do-it-yourself DIY shops. It's easy for installation. These products. You don't even need a plumber,
Yeah.
professional plumber.
Yes. The main reason also because of the showroom, the bed and the chair and your products, the customer needed to see it and touch it for one time. When they go to their other part of the country, they already know the company. They have seen the samples. Then, okay, we would like to order. And I am planning to build a B2B e-commerce site in Iraq. So I met with some in how you say providing this kind of services also. For example, when you invite people, okay, for big deals, you invite them to visit. But if it's just one piece or few pieces just to test it, you can also order them and send also to other cities. And that was my question. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Mohammed, I will suggest you to consider sparing a small showroom, name it like Turkish Trade Center. Small companies, for example, you can put a shower panel, or some shower systems from Banora, and if there's sales, you make the deal. You can be the representative of the brand, and if they give you exclusivity, you can exhibit the products for free, and then close the deal with contractors. You can also consider this kind of business for small companies who are not able to afford a permanent showroom for the year in Iraq. This is an cheaper solution, and it will work for both sides, I think.
Yeah, this is exactly, there are two kind of companies that I am looking. There are companies who I want them to be there because I know the potentials, and the companies you are going to force them to the market to introduce and try to convince people to buy. This sector is already done. I don't need to. And one last thing, the good thing about your product in Iraq, the brands are connected to the country. For example, Ülker and Eti is the same thing. And you will say, okay, for example, Mavi and Elsi Wakiki is the same thing. For they are Turkish. And also, when the apartment complex they are building, they all want to say, okay, all the products used in this building, either best quality or Turkish companies have done it. So, and because of your sector always broke and quality is not, how you say, guaranteed, then you can offer also some guarantee. If you are standing by your product, you say, okay, we will give you guarantee for 2 years. But if you are in Eskişehir and he is in Basra, he doesn't believe you. He said, how can I contact you? It doesn't mean that you are bad or no, he doesn't go through this kind of, how you say, problems just to have fix if he had any issues. But if you are local, you can provide some extra services. You will be different than how you said. You said there are maybe tens of companies like in your sector in Turkey, but majority of them are just importing with a small, how you say, improvement. But you are a producer. You have a good advantage. Your capacity is hopefully can manage the orders that we are going, how you say, to hopefully get. So we will see. I'm optimistic. I'm optimistic with Banora.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Ragıp, you work in the factory only one shift, right?
Now one shift, but we are doing extra hours according
So
to
you can increase the capacity
Yes.
with 2 shifts or
the shift.
hiring more staff, buying more machines. I think you should focus on Iraq before Africa. It's our Turkey's best export market. Mr. Ömer can take you if you agree on some exclusivity. He can take you all these bathroom wholesalers, and maybe you can keep some samples in his showroom. That will speed up the deal. At the moment, you can start with Turkish contractors building houses in Iraq. Turkish contractors are very strong also in Iraq.
Yes.
Yeah, I think if there is no further question, we can finish the session. I thank you very much for your attendance today, despite the bad weather conditions. Mr. Ragıp, please share in exclusive group your presentation link. If it is on the cloud, people can download, or you can share as a PDF. Have a nice weekend, everyone. See you next Saturday, inshallah. Bye.
Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Nice
Nice
weekend.
weekend. Take care. Take care.